What's going on, everyone? Today is Monday, August 17th. We have just a few minutes until market open, but I wanted to go over again how to import the new pullback strategy that I'm running. And guys, just keep in mind, this is not trading advice. The Predator X is an order entry and management tool that lets users create their own fully or semi-automated trading strategies. Just because I'm running this doesn't mean this is what you have to run. At the end of the day, each strategy is always up to each user. But we have had quite a few new members join us recently, and I just wanted to go over the templates room and wanted to make sure everyone knows how to import not only this strategy, but any other strategy we have in here as well. So from here in your TradeSaber dashboard, just go to your PredX templates. And guys, sorry about my voice. I'm still slowly getting it back here, but hopefully within the next few days, I should be back to normal. But the one I'm running currently, the one I'm running today anyways, is the built-in simple pullback. You can find this one right in your free templates. It's the one, I've made quite a few videos about it, and we even showed how to make it in one of the videos, but we also made it into a convenient template so you can have all the information required. So once you open up the template, this is what you'll get. You have your template info. So this is the instrument I'm running on, the bar type I'm running on. And if you want the bar types, just click on the download and you will be able to download these NinjaTrader bars. I know some of you guys are running it on the Saber bars. I recently did a video on market replay, and NinjaTrader ended up actually being a little bit better, or actually quite a bit better. And I'm also starting 9:30 a.m. Eastern. If you're not in an Eastern time zone, make sure you adjust the Predator time filter so it matches this time zone. And then the installation instructions, you can find them right in here as well. So for this one, it's just one step. You just download it and drop the file into this folder. And if for whatever reason you don't find this particular folder, we have a little hint here, just a little tip that will help you create the folder so you can ensure you drop the file into the right folder. And if you need more instructions, just watch this video. It walks you through the exact steps of what you need. But I'm going to do it right now as well. So in your documents folder, you go to NinjaTrader, you go down to templates, and go to strategy. Here you should find the TradeSaber Predator X order entry LT folder. So it's this one right here. And just save the template right in there. That's all you have to do. That is the one and only step to download this template. Now, back in your chart, if you have not imported the NinjaTrader bars yet, just go to Tools, Import, NinjaScript add-on, and select the entire zip folder. That is to import the NinjaTrader bars. And to load them, just right-click on your chart, Data Series. Under Type, we're going to find NinjaTrader. And in here, I'm just going to type 64 and 16. And just apply that. Now, these bars sometimes load a little bit weird. Sometimes if you see weird gaps, not during the market open, but just throughout the day, just right click. I like to reload the historical data, and that's just going to help refresh everything. Now, once you have that, now we're just going to load the Predator itself. So right click, Strategies, TradeSaber Predator. And I'm going to select my account. This one I'm running on my Lucid. Once I have my account selected, I'm going to go down to templates, load, and I'm going to select that template we just imported. So apply, hit OK, and we're going to enable. My license key expired because I was testing out something on a trial, so I have to use something different. So make sure your Predator X order entry is activated before you do any of this. There we go. So now, assuming it's good, we enable and we start just right before 9:30 a.m. Just a few things to double check. when you first start. Make sure for this particular strategy, you see this top right hand corner. It should say engulf and it should be lit up in white. If you see it's transparent, that means it's off. It's not going to take trades. So make sure you click on that and it's white. Your target, 50 ticks. The stop loss is set to the high-low with a 2-tick offset. And for this one, I'm using a market order. Some of you guys have changed it to a limit order. That's fine. Like I said, change this to whatever fits your needs. Now, I'm just going to go through the rest of the settings while we wait for a setup. So for the management, I also have a auto break even set. So once we hit 40 ticks into profit, I'm going to move my stop up to break even. And that's going to prevent something that's close to our target. It's going to prevent it from coming back and turning that into a loser. Now, this is one thing that I like to add. I know it's not for everyone, but it's the stealth stop. And I'll show you an example once we actually take a trade here. But your stealth stop is just going to replace your stop loss. And with this wait for bar close selected, it's actually going to wait until the price closes below your new stealth stop line to take you out of the trade. So that way, let's say this was our signal right here. And we enter down here. Let's say this is our stealth stop that we usually set at the high of the candle if we're going short. So let's say this candle was to come up here. It just wicks up, but then comes back down and closes down. The stealth stop is going to prevent that from taking you out. So that would still give you that win. The downside of something like this is if this bar keeps going up and it does close up above our stealth stop line, then you're going to take a much bigger loss. So that is something you have to weigh and see if it's something that fits your needs. For me, I like to have it. I know for a lot of you guys, you may find that it's not worth that added risk. So again, do your own testing, do what works best for you. And now I should go over the actual setup, just to kind of cover everything in one video. The setup, this one is very, very simple. We are looking for these sort of pullback candles. Now, the pullback candles, if we're going long, we need the green candles. We're looking for a pullback underneath the previous, but we want it to close back up in that same direction. For the shorts, it's the complete opposite. We have some red candles. We're waiting for a pullback above the previous bar's high, but then comes back down and closes in that same direction. But we're looking for a signal that happens within 5 bars. If it happens after 5 bars, that pullback is canceled. So you'll notice here within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this one happened on this bar, it would have been canceled. Same thing, 1, 2, 3, valid. 1, 2, 3, valid. Now, if we look at these ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one, I don't think pulled back far enough. So we're looking for at least 6 ticks. That one was only 3, so not far enough. But this one was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles later. That is not valid to us. It did not happen within that 5-bar limit. Now, some of these days we've gotten lucky and finished the day within the first 10 minutes. But a lot of the days we have to wait around for a little while just to try and get that perfect signal. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play it on one of my monitors and I'm going to speed up so you guys don't have to sit through this whole video and we'll see how the day goes. Sorry about my voice, guys. The more I'm talking, the worse my voice is getting. So play it on fully lucid by the end of this video.
Order canceled.
Six hours later.
All right, guys, it's 2:36 p.m. here. I think I've had enough for the day. So I am going to cut it here. This is probably one of the slowest days I've seen on NQ. This was our market open right over here. And this has been the entire price action for the day. So as you can see, not much has happened. Finally had a little bit of a breakout over here. I was kind of hoping we would get something in here. Maybe something will happen once I close this down, but I need to head out and I don't really care for this day anymore, to be honest. So I will cut it here, but I hope you guys found this video useful. And guys, make sure you leave a comment on this video and link your YouTube handle on our website over at TradeSaber.com. We are going to be doing a free 50K Lucid Flex account giveaway in tomorrow's video. So again, just leave a comment, link your YouTube handle, and you'll be eligible. And guys, if you are looking for a free trial of the Predator X order entry, all you have to do is head over to TradeSaber.com, create a free account, and you will have access to that free trial immediately. And we also have a Discord that you can join to ask questions or find even more content. I'm going to leave the links for everything down below. But with that, I hope you guys found this useful. As always, take care. Enjoy.